Welcome to a Panther Security Systems Limited how-to video. This video shows how to replace the battery in an MCT234 wireless key fob that works with the PowerMax control panel. A low battery on this device can be indicated by the control panel, an absence of a red light, or a flashing red light when pushing the buttons on the fob. The replacement battery required is an alkaline 23A. First, remove the small screw on the back of the device. With a small screwdriver, then pry between the two halves all the way round to take it apart. The circuit board can be lifted out of the fob to easily remove the expired battery. The new battery is inserted, ensuring that the correct polarity is observed. The two halves of the fob snap together, and replacing the screw makes the job done.